Hello Smarties! Hope you all are extremely good. Welcome back to the new video of English, and today we are going to do more U sound words. But before that, we will revise all the U sound words that we have done so far. So let us revise. First we had done with U sound words, and they were BUN bun, GUN gun, SUN sun, followed by UN rhyming words. And what were they? Yes, they were BUN bun, FUN fun, GUN gun, RUN run, SUN sun. And then we had done with few more U sound words, and they were HUT hut, NUT nut, followed by UT rhyming words. And they were BUT butt, CUT cut, HUT hut, NUT nut. And so today we are going to do with more U sound words. But before that, tell me, what does you say? Yes, you says Okay, so let's start.
Let's learn more U sound words. And kids, our first picture is of a bug. A bug is a beautiful insect and it has 6 legs. It is commonly called as a ladybug. And a bug is found in different colors. It has black spots on it. Can you see the black spots? Right. And it mostly sits on grass and on leaves. Kids, look at this bus. A bus is a vehicle and it is a means of public transport as it carries many people from one place to another at a time. And there are many different kinds of bus like city bus, ST bus, then we have luxury bus, double-decker bus, school picnic bus and school bus as well. Have you all seen it? Yes. A cup. A cup is a container to hold liquids and it usually comes in a pair with a saucer. And it is used to drink hot tea. And who likes to drink hot tea? Yes, your mama, papa and your grandparents. It also comes with a handle and it is small in size. Have you all seen it? This is a jug and it is made up of different materials like ceramic, steel, glass, and some jugs comes without a lid and some with a lid, and it is a container used to hold different liquids like juice, water, and it has a narrow opening at the top to pour liquids in a glass or any other container, and it always comes with a handle. Kids, this is your favorite mug and it comes in different varieties. And you must be drinking your milk, Bournvita, Horlicks in this type of mug, right? And children, this is a bath mug used for bathing. And a mug comes without a saucer. And it is usually big in size. Got it, children? And now this is a tub. When you were small babies, you must have bathed in this type of tub, right? It is commonly called a bathtub. And it comes in different size and in different shape. And it is also a container to hold different materials. Now let's revise all more U sound words. So ready, children? BUG bug, BUS bus, then CUP cup, MUG mug and JUG jug and TUB tub. Now it's time to learn all the spellings. More U sound words. Let's take our first picture. What is this? Yes, it's a bug. Now let's learn the spelling. B says B, U says A, G says G. B, A, G, bug. B-U-G, bug. One more time. B-U-G, bug. Now let's take another picture. Yes, it's a bus. Let's learn the spelling. B says B, U says A, S says S. B-A-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Again, B-U-S, bus. Now this is a cup. We'll learn the spelling. C says K, U says A, P says P. K-A-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Again, C-U-P, cup. Now, this is a picture of a mug. Let's learn the spelling. M says M, U says A, G says G. M-A-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. Again, M-U-G, mug. Now, jug. See, now, what will we do? Yes, J says J, U says A, G says G. J-A-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Again, J-U-G, jug. Now, tub. Let's learn the spelling. T says T, U says A, B says B. T-A-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. One more time. T-U-B, tub. Kids, with this we have completed all U sound words. Now kids, what next? Yes, it's time to write all the spellings and draw all the pictures in your book. You all have become very smart children, huh? More U sound words. And our first spelling is B-U-G, bug. Leave some space and here draw a small circle, draw two eyes and a smiley inside it and draw two antennas like this. And from here draw a curve, opposite curve and join it, and in the middle draw a standing line and draw some small circles like this. And for legs you will draw slanting line, another slanting line, and you will draw three legs on both the sides as a bug has 6 legs, and write it 5 times. And now we'll write our next spelling, and that is B-U-S, bus. Leave some space and here draw a long sleeping line as ma'am is showing you. Draw a small curve and slanting line, and again draw a standing line, sleeping line. From here draw a circle for a wheel. Again draw a sleeping line, draw a small circle for a wheel, sleeping line and join it with a standing line. And from here you will draw a sleeping line. Now draw a standing line, and from here draw a slanting line and an oval and an opposite U curve. Draw some standing lines like this as ma'am is showing you in the picture. Got it children? And write it 5 times. Now take a new page for writing our next spelling, that is C-U-P, cup. Leave some space. Draw a small upper curve and join it with a lower curve and join it with a U curve. And for the handle you will draw 2 curves like this, and inside you will draw a small flower. Draw 2 slanting lines like this and join it with a sleeping line and write it 5 times. Now next spelling is M-U-G, mug. For mug leave some space and again draw upper curve, join it with a lower curve, and here you will draw a standing line, another standing line and join it with a sleeping line. And from here draw 2 curves like this for a handle to hold, and inside draw a small flower and any design you want. And from here draw 2 small curves. Write the spelling 5 times. Now take a new page, and our next spelling is J-U-G, jug. Leave some space, draw a sleeping V and join it with a sleeping oval. And from here draw 2 slanting lines and join it with a U curve. And from here you will draw 2 curves like this for handle. This is a jug. Write 5 times. And now our last spelling, and that is T-U-B, tub. For drawing a tub, you will draw an upper curve like this and join it with a lower curve. Draw a slanting line, another slanting line and join it with a sleeping line. And from here draw 2 curves, and here also draw 2 curves for handle. And write the spellings 5 times. Okay.
Kids, now do practice all these U sound words along with its pictures in your book at your home. With this, we have come to an end of all the sound words, that is from A to U. And never forget the 5 vowels, and which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Because of this only you will be able to make meaningful words. So now we have completed all the sound words, and now you have to keep on revising and keep on watching all the videos so that you will be able to remember it easily. Okay children, bye for now.